Here's a clear step-by-step tutorial on how to troubleshoot and fix email and VPN setup failures on smartphones or tablets, focusing especially on common causes like certificate issues and incorrect credentials. How to fix email and VPN setup failures on smartphones, tablets. Step 1. Verify network connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data network. Sometimes setup errors occur simply because there's no internet connection. Step 2. Double-check credentials. Email. Confirm the username, usually your full email address, and password are correct. VPN. Verify the VPN username, password, and any shared secret or token. If possible, try logging in on a desktop or web portal to verify credentials. Step 3. Check server settings. Email. Verify incoming IMAP/POP3 and outgoing SMTP server names, ports, and encryption types SSL, TLS. VPN. Confirm the server address, protocol IKEv2 L2TP, OpenVPN, and any custom port numbers. Step 4. Inspect certificate issues, common causes, expired, untrusted, or missing certificates. Go to your device's settings, General, About, Certificate Trust Settings, iOS or Settings, Security, Trusted Credentials, Android. Check if the required certificates from your email provider or VPN service are present and enabled. If certificates are missing, download the correct CA certificate from your organization's IT or VPN provider. Install it manually on your device. iOS, install the CR or .pem file via email or file transfer, then trust it. Android, import the certificate under Security. Install from storage. Step 5. Remove and re-add the email account or VPN profile. Sometimes removing the existing profile and re-adding fresh solves hidden misconfigurations. For email, go to Settings, Accounts or Mail Accounts. Select the account, then delete or remove account. Add the account again with verified credentials and settings. For VPN, go to Settings, VPN, delete the problematic profile. Recreate or import the VPN profile with correct parameters. Step 6. Update device OS and apps. Make sure your device's operating system and any relevant email or VPN apps are updated to the latest versions. Sometimes outdated OS or apps cause compatibility or certificate validation failures. Step 7. Sync date and time settings. Incorrect device date and time can cause certificate validation errors. Go to Settings, Date and Time, and enable Automatic Date and Time. If automatic doesn't work, manually set the correct date, time, and time zone. Step 8. Check for device or network restrictions. Some organizations enforce restrictions on mobile devices. Check if your device requires enrollment in Mobile Device Management, MDM. Verify network firewall or proxy settings aren't blocking required ports. Contact your IT admin if unsure. Step 9. Clear cache or reset network settings on Android. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. On iOS, go to Settings, General Reset, Reset Network Settings, Reboot Device, and Retry Setup. Step 10. Contact support if issue persists. If none of the above resolves the problem, contact your email service provider support, VPN provider, or your company's IT support. Provide detailed error messages/screenshots to speed up diagnosis. If you want, I can also provide specific instructions for Gmail, Outlook, or common VPN protocols on iOS or Android. Just let me know.